The forest fire in Valparaiso, Chile, devastated the city, engulfing several thousand homes and leading to tragic loss of life. Despite the overwhelming scale of destruction, the heroic efforts of firefighters and emergency responders saved many lives and prevented further devastation. The aftermath of the fire will have long-term effects, including displacement, economic hardships, and psychological trauma for the community. Rebuilding efforts and support for affected communities are crucial in the wake of such a disaster, requiring coordinated efforts from various organizations and the broader community.